From clothes breaking to literally falling off, here's our list of embarrassing celebrity wardrobe malfunctions on live TV. Now starting off, we have J-Lo. In 2011, J-Lo had a mishap while on the German TV show Wetten Das. Now the show was being filmed in Spain when Jennifer suffered the embarrassment in front of a stadium audience as well as other celebrities present on the show. Now not to mention, the show was live. Now she first performed without any incidents, wearing a black mini dress and stilettos, but her second appearance on the show was a sit-down interview outside in a bullfighting arena. Now she looked amazing in a long belted dress with a plunging neckline and a matching head wrap, and in true J-Lo style, she had a grand entrance in a horse-drawn carriage before taking her seat. But as J-Lo was being helped to her seat by the show's host, the front of her dress opened a little bit too much and her entire breast fell out of her dress. Now a crowd of thousands were there to witness the infamous wardrobe malfunction. Within an hour, the picture was on the cover of the world's #1 worldwide tabloid and on the internet. Then there's Dakota Johnson. Last week, Dakota Johnson made an appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live, with the actress promoting her forthcoming movie, Daddy-O. Except during the appearance, she had a wardrobe malfunction. Mid-interview, the floral embellished golden straps on her Bottega Veneta dress suddenly broke. "Dakota, your dress just came unhooked," Kimmel could be heard telling Johnson shortly after showing a clip from the upcoming film, which hits theaters on June 28th. "Are you alright? Should I get you some scotch tape?" he asked. "My dress it fell off," Dakota announced, holding up the long black design and attempting to fix the metal cuff-like straps which had been hooked over her shoulder moments before. "I'll just hold it," the star concluded as she attempted to talk about her newest project. Now at one point, Dakota decided to clutch her chest as the solution, laughing in disbelief and sarcastically telling the host the movie's really good. Moving on to Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj, who is currently on her Pink Friday 2 World Tour, faced an embarrassing mishap on stage during her show in Orlando, Florida on March 22nd. In a video shared on Instagram, the rapper is seen passing around the microphone among the concert goers who are expected to sing the chorus of her hit, "The Night Is Still Young." Now the exposing moment happened when Nicki snatched the mic back from a fan, causing the top of her dress, which seemed to have already been unintentionally detached, to fall further down and expose her breast. She then briefly put her hand over her breast, seemingly thinking she had a handle on the faux pas. However, it wasn't until another fan started singing that she looked down and realized her whole boob was still out, slightly covered by her varsity jacket and hair. Now the video shows Nicki mouthing, "Oh my god, my boob," with wide eyes before tucking it back into the dress and pulling up the fabric. And finally we have Emma Stone. At the 96th Annual Academy Awards, Emma Stone took the stage to accept the Oscar win for Best Actress and kicked off her speech by revealing that she suffered a wardrobe malfunction on her way up to the stage. "Oh boy, my dress is broken," the star began, turning around to reveal a broken zipper on her custom mint Louis Vuitton gown. Now according to Emma, the mishap occurred as her La La Land co-star Ryan Gosling performed his epic Barbie ballad. "I think it happened during I'm Just Ken. I'm pretty sure," she added, as the audience cheered. Now Emma also warned the crowd that her voice is a little gone, which may have been a result of her scream singing the lyrics "And So Am I" after Ryan Gosling passed her the mic during the ballad. Now prior to her zipper malfunction, Emma, who won Best Actress for her role as Bella Baxter in Poor Things, turned heads on the carpet with her Oscars look, a strapless silk jacquard gown with a stunning architectural pendulum skirt. The actress's stylist Petra Flannery pailed the gown with a 30-carat yellow diamond necklace, also from Louis Vuitton, while her hairstylist Mara Rozek took inspiration from the classic architecture of her dress. But what a shame that the zipper broke though. Well, that's all for our list of embarrassing celebrity wardrobe malfunctions on live TV. But hey, it's live TV, accidents are bound to happen.